How do you prevent XSS without sacrificing application functionality? Imagine building a website where users can share stories, comments, or even upload rich content, but you want to keep it safe from sneaky scripts. That's the challenge many developers face. Preventing cross-site scripting attacks while keeping your app lively and useful is all about balance. Let's explore how to do this step by step. First, understanding what XSS helps. It happens when attackers inject malicious scripts into your web pages, which then run in other users' browsers. This can lead to stolen data or hijacked sessions. Since user input often flows through APIs and databases before showing up on screens, it's vital to handle it carefully. Start by validating all inputs on the server side. Never trust data just because it looks okay on the client side. Use strict rules to check data types and formats. For example, only allow digits for phone numbers or specific characters for usernames. This way, malicious code can't sneak in through unexpected input. Next, sanitize inputs when necessary. If your app accepts HTML content like comments or blog posts, use trusted libraries to clean this input. These tools strip out or encode harmful tags and attributes, so users can still add rich content without risking script execution. Then focus on output encoding. Before sending data back to the browser, encode it based on where it will appear, inside HTML, JavaScript, or URL. Encoding turns special characters into safe representations, so browsers interpret them as text, not code. This step is key to keeping your app functional and secure. Use support from your backend framework. Many frameworks have built-in functions for escaping and sanitizing output. For example, Django offers an escape function, and Ruby on Rails has helpers for sanitization. You can also add specialized libraries like DOM Purify for JavaScript or Express Validator for Node.js to automate these tasks. Adding content security policy headers is another strong step. These headers tell browsers which sources are allowed to load scripts. If an attacker injects a script, the browser blocks it if it's not from a trusted source, limiting damage. Don't forget to set secure HTTP headers and cookies. Use headers like xcontent type options and referrer policy to protect your site. Also, set cookie flags such as HTTP only, secure, and same site to keep session cookies safe from theft or misuse. Be cautious with framework features that bypass protections. For example, React's dangerously set inner HTML or Angular's bypass security trust functions can be risky. Only use them if you thoroughly sanitize the content first. Layer your defenses. Combining input validation, sanitization, output encoding, security headers, and content security policy creates a strong shield. No single method is enough alone, but together they form a reliable barrier. Finally, keep your dependencies updated and educate your team. Regular updates patch known vulnerabilities, and training ensures everyone follows best practices. This ongoing effort keeps your backend secure without limiting what your app can do. By following these steps, you can prevent cross-site scripting attacks effectively while still allowing your application to be dynamic and user-friendly. Security and functionality don't have to be at odds. They can work hand in hand to keep your users safe and your app lively.